Let's not wait for Swelele ukuthi ikore and then we wait for supporters to push us and then we start playing. Izobanikeza iproblem manjalo. So misasuka mabaphume ethanelini labantu bePirates mele bazi ukuthi endoda mina ngifuna ukubhala kule history yokuthi ngawini league nawe. Ungazolala la. Buka. Uyayithola lento le because the moment yokulala lela goal le. And then yenza leyo moment ichiftisa iSundowns nga 2 points. Uyafuna ukugijimisa iSundowns league ne 2 points on form.
Just scoring goals.
Awufuna ukuyenza lento, it's a problem. Let's rally chase ibe close. Uyayithola lento le. So game eswelele too many things happened lapha. Uyabona? Into ngirealize ile ngeOrlando Pirates like they've become predictable. Siyazi ukuthi attack if it doesn't come in our bodies or umfukeng or whoever then it means kuzoba dry.